Hello guys, welcome to Shaul Classroom. In this video, we discussed about a project that is an web-based organ donation management system. It is requested for the subscriber who commanded this project they want. We created this project in one day itself. We can use this in front end as HTML and CSS, backend as Node.js, and database we connected to MySQL. First of all, you can download and install the Node.js and MySQL. Once you installed it, you can set this setup. You can complete the setup, and you can go to start, and you can type the environmental variables. In that environmental variables, you can type the environment. Click that environmental variables. In system variables, scroll down and select that path. And click edit. Now you can paste that MySQL server location and Node.js location. That is simple. You can click new button and right click and paste that path. That's it, and click OK. And click OK and again click OK. That's it. This path is added. Once you add this path, you can confirm it is working or not. You can go to command prompt and type the node hyphen hyphen version. You can see this node version and MySQL hyphen hyphen version. And click enter. Now this two version is showed that is a proper download installation. This Node.js and MySQL video link given in description. That is a proper download and installation method that is given in step-by-step manner. You can go through and check and download that procedure only. We can start this project. Once you've done this, you can simply open the VS Code and in file close it, click that file and open folder. In that I can go to Windows C folder, C drive, and I created a new folder called organ donation management system, and I can select folder, and I can close this welcome screen. In this I can open the terminal and click that new terminal. In this I can first of all make the directory mkdir means make directory, and I can give the organ donation hyphen system and click enter. uh, and click enter. Now this main folder we have created a subfolder. Now I can change the directory. cd means change a directory, and you can type that organ donation hyphen system and click enter. Now this location will be changed. Now you can type npm init hyphen y and click enter. You can see this error. If anyone is facing this error means you can simply go to start and type PowerShell and click that run as administrator and click yes. You can type get hyphen execution policy and click enter. It is restricted. Now you can set execution policy space. Now you can type the remote signed and click enter and type y and click enter. Now you can again type the get execution policy. It is remote signed. Now you can again type this command and click enter. Now this package.json file is created successfully without any errors. Now you can run this package. Now you can download the packages one by one. Now type npm install Express MySQL to EGS body worker and click enter. We can once you run this command means this node modules will be installed and the package.log.json package is also installed. Again type npm install egs. Egs means that is an embedded JavaScript templates. Now you can type npm install Express egs MySQL and click enter. That this command will be executed to interact with the database. That's it. Now you can type npm install express session. Click enter. That's it. We done almost. Now you can we can in the main folder we having a subfolder. In this subfolder only we can work it. You did not work on main folder. Now click that subfolder and create new folder views. Click enter. Likewise, you can create another folder public and click enter. In this views, I can add a new file that is an add donor.egs and I can close this. I can add in the select. I can add another new file in views. Add recipient.egs. Click enter and add. Now I can add admin page. When I add admin login page and again I can click add admin dashboard page. At last we can create a main page that is a home page index.egs. So I can close all this. Now I can click that public folder and I can create a subfolder in the public itself. Can create a that css. Click enter. In this css folder I can create styles.css and click enter. Now I can click that public and create a new folder that is an image folder. I can type an images. So I can simply click that subfolder and create new folder, new file that is an server.js. This is an backend. Server.js is a backend. Mm, This views we having an AGS. This is an front end. This is an backend. Server.js is an backend, and this is for a styling purposes. Page front end we have the view. The user can added this style for the buttons, web pages, and colors. That is like this. You can. We did not create a database. First of all, we can complete this. Now I can simply open my notepad. I having the full code. Now you can paste the code one by one. In add donor, I can paste this code in recipient. I can paste this code and click Ctrl S. Ctrl S. In admin page, I can paste this code. In admin login page, I can paste this code. Admin dashboard page, I can paste this code. This is an home page code, that is an index.egs. Last we having the backend code, that is in server.js, and I can paste this code also. Now I can close this all. In this style.css, now I can give the styling code also, and I can paste this and click that Control S. In the images, I did not give the any images. I can open the folder. I already have the image folder. I having all 4 images. I can copy this and go to organ donation management system. In organ donation management system, in public, you can see the images. I can paste this all and I can click Control Save. I can close this. Now I can maximize this screen. I can open the server.js and see this password. I can type an MySQL password. I click Control S and type node server.js. Click enter. Now you can simply click this link and click follow link. Now you can see the register as a donor, search for a donor. For register as a donor, that is a became as a donor, find as a donor. In add donor, you can see the you can add donor names, organ, hot, and you can enter your uh, email also. You can choose date for your organ donation and click submit donor. While inserting error while inserting donor, yes, we did not creating the database now itself. First of all, we created the database. Go to search and type MySQL. Open MySQL Workbench and click that plus icon and give your connection name as you like. Organ DB I give, and I can click that test connection. Now you can see this error. How to solve this? It means first of all, go to your keyboard and type Windows plus R. You can see the run command and you can type this services.msc and click OK. Now you can scroll down. Uh, you can see the MySQL 80. It is stopped. I think it's not running. The status is not running. It is stopped. You can click that start and you can close this. So you can click that OK and you can close this MySQL Workbench and again open the MySQL Workbench and click that My New Connection and give from the connection name is not compulsory. You can give your name as you like and click that test connection and you can enter the password. This password you can enter while installing while setting your MySQL. You entered your MySQL password. That password only which you can enter in this and click OK. Now the connection is successful and click OK and click OK. Now the database connection is created. Now I can click this. You can see I have already added this. Can simply control and enter. I can create the database and I can use this database and I can create a table like this database I created is that is not showing on this schema. First of all, you can click and right click and refresh all. Now you are seeing this in tables. I did not create anything. First, now only I only typed only. I can run this code, control and click enter. Now you can refresh this and you can scroll down. You can see the donor. Likewise, you can click and control and enter. Now you can refresh again. You can refresh. You can see these donors. In column, you can see the name, age, blood group. Likewise, recipients, you can see the name, age, blood group. We'll select all from donors. I did not have any data till now. You can see I did not have any data. Now I can open the VS Code and I can give Control C to end this command and I can set up my password here. This password you did not share to anyone. This connection password you given in MySQL, that password only you can enter on this. Now database means in database name I created as an organ donation system. That name only you can given in this. Now you can scroll down and click Ctrl S. Now again I can type node server.js and click enter. Now connected to database is shown and I can follow this link and I can click add donor and I can type my name and age and blood group and organ. My contact number is and you can type your email. You can type and you can type on the gmail.com and you can give your address and organ donation date and click submit donor. The donor added successfully. Now you can check it. Again you can click that in select star from donors. You can control and enter. So you can see this donor is added successfully. Likewise, in recipient I have no data in this. If any user, now you can remove this page and find a donor. If I find a donor form, I can fill. So like name is Raj, age, blood group is A positive, and organ record is your contact number, email address. You can type your address and registration date and click submit. This response we can see this and you can click the control enter. This Siraj data is reflected in this. In this code itself, we having the admin page. You can see in admin page also. In admin page, you can type #admin. You can see the admin login credentials. This username is I think admin and password is password 123 and click enter. You can click never. You can see the admin dashboard, the donor list I submitted the donor list and recipient list. You can see this, and you can click that logout. Again, you can log in, admin, password, 123, and click enter. This link, I can, once I log out, I can check this. Without login, it can goes no. That's why we can framed more authentication. For that person, they requested to this project. Likewise, you can see the we added you can add, you can copy this code, and you can create another new SQL file, and we can add some more data. I can click enter and click enter. I added donor data and recipient data. Two data I added. I We already added one data. Totally three data it is showing. Yes, three data in donor and three data in recipients. Okay. At last, you can update the donor details. You can update the donor. For example, I can update the donor one means you can see the donor number, donor ID one. We having this contact number. We can change it to this contact number and click that control enter. Now you can see, and again you can click that control enter. This contact number will be reflected and changed in database itself. Now you can delete all data means simply you can use truncate table. Table name is donors, and click control enter. Again you can run this, select all. Now you can see all the data will be deleted automatically. If you want this front end, back end, and the database code, you can simply type your email address in command. We will send your files, that is a front end, back end, and database code. We can send directly to you. You can use this in your project itself. If you want more projects or videos for the upcoming, you can simply post it in comments. We will make, and we will give it. If you like this videos, click this like button and subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.